Hi there, welcome to my Make It Rain vertical template. With this series, there's a variety of different sports. So you can get basketball, you can have football, soccer, volleyball. There's all kinds of cool stuff. I'm going to give you a quick glimpse into some of these layers. These templates are designed with strategically positioned sports equipment, making it effortless to insert your subject and create a professional, polished look in minutes. The dynamic layout not only draws your attention to the subject, but also showcases eye-catching sports elements, ensuring a standout design every time. Let me show you how easy this can be to use. First, I'm going to grab an already extracted subject, and I can drag and drop them directly in the template and position them where I think they go. Then I can adjust these colors to match whatever I want. So I can change background colors, text to match the subject. So I can go down to my background color, select maybe a blue from his jersey, and then I can change the name, select the color, and retype the first and last name. Then change this color bar over to the right. There's a full tutorial included with the instant download that's going to teach you all these steps in a little more detail. And it can be just as easy as that to modify the template and make it look awesome for your subjects. Again, there's all kinds of sports. So here's, for example, a soccer. Again, changing the colors. Super easy. We can go with oranges, we can go with blacks, whites. All those things look great. There are built-in cropping guides that show you where it can crop to. For example, on a 3-foot by 5-foot banner, we'll crop right to there. If you keep everything important inside those 2-teal guides, this template, you only have to create it once, and you can print all kinds of different sizes for parents too. So 5x7s, 4x6s, 8x10s, all those standard sizes. Just keep everything important inside those 2-teal guides, send one file to print, and you're done.